Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mama Rashdania, along with Fatima Bashira, and we would like to present about crude fat analysis, which is a software analysis. The objective of this analysis is to determine the crude fat content on the food sample, to compare the nutritional fact with experiment of food sample, and to calculate the energy content from the fat content. As per introduction, determination of crude fat is the term used to refer the crude mixture of fat material present in a sample. Crude fat is a traditional measure of fat in food products. Crude fat content is determined by extracting the fat from the sample using a solvent, then determining the weight of the fat recovered. As per the procedure, sample preparation, the fat content and serving size of the food product was recorded and reported on the package label. The diagram of sample was grinded with mortar and pestle. Sample was weighted using analytical balance, which is a M0, and was wrapped with filter paper. Next is a sorting procedure. Sample was inserted into the timber and covered with cotton, and they were weighted, which is a M1. They were put in an extraction beaker. The sorting program was started. After the program, the timber was removed from the extraction beaker using tongs and dry in the oven for 1 hour. 1 hour at 1050 degrees Celsius. The timber was cooled down for 30 minutes in desiccator and weighted, which is for M2.
gram. For M1 is 140.067.067603 gram, and for M2 is 147.4382 gram. So the total fat content is 26.6%. So this is the data from the nutrition fact on the packaging label. So from the label on the left, fat for 100 gram is 27.2 gram. So next, for the discussion, after calculating and evaluating the difference between the total percentage of fat from the experiment and the percentage of fat from the cream cracker label, it was a bit off when the experiment was 26.6%, while the total percentage from the cream cracker label was 27%. In other words, the difference is 0.4%. One of the reasons for the difference is due to the temperature during the extraction season, which will change the extraction efficiency. Also, is an incorrect sample value, where if the sample is not taken correctly, then the result will also change, where the total fat percentage will also change. Okay, for the conclusion. The results show the cream cracker test was slightly different from the total percentage of the label. This is because the volume of the solvent, which is petroleum, is too much. In conclusion, the objective of this experiment was to determine the fat content of selected foods. Only small error like this can be reduced in the next experiment. Thank you.